Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got something fantastic to show you about the new Sangean ATS-909X2. This gentleman, and I cannot pronounce his channel, there's the name of it right there. I'll put a link in the first comment below my video so you can go and watch this full video. It's 25 minutes, and he shows you completely disassembling his brand new radio and shows you close-up pictures of the inside, the circuit boards, the components, makes comments about the build of this thing. I'll just briefly jump around here a little bit. Okay, there's where he's just gotten it all apart, almost. And there's some inside, there's the inside of it. This is a brand new radio. It's, I think $350, and he's taking it apart. So check this out. Again, I want to thank him for letting me know that he did this video, and he gave me permission to let you see his video or create a link to his video. Check it out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.